Master Muhammad Affan of Standard First is going to tell you about importance of parents in Islam. I invite Master Muhammad Affan to give this short speech on importance of parents in Islam.
Come first.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am Muhammad Affan. I am studying in grade 1. I am telling you about importance of parents in Islam. Quran says, Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him and that to be kind to parents, whether or not both of them attain old age in your life. Say not to them or of contempt nor repel them, but address them in terms of honor. Prophet ﷺ said, the person who breaks the bond of friendship will not enter paradise. Our mother deserves the utmost respect and good treatment in Islam. Islam pays special attention to the family and encourages love and respect for it. The parents are the basic foundation of the family. Hence, honoring one's parents is one of the best deeds and one of the most beloved actions to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should give respect and love to our parents. Parents are treated well all the times. We should parents are the treated well all the times. We should give wonderful parents. Prophet Muhammad said, paradise lies under the feet of your mother. Our father is the middle door of paradise. So it is up to you. You take advantage of it or not. Jazakallahu khair.